Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of brand consulting and exploring what it takes to build a successful career as a brand consultant. This role combines strategy, creativity, and business acumen to help companies define who they are, how they're perceived, and how they can stand out in competitive markets. By the end of this, you'll understand how brand consultants make money, craft strategies, and build long-term relationships with clients. Let's jump right in. Brand consultants have a variety of ways to earn money, making this career path both lucrative and flexible. Many professionals start by offering one-time services such as brand audits, positioning strategies, or visual identity development, where they assess a company's current brand, identify gaps, and provide clear recommendations for improvement. Others move toward ongoing advisory roles, working with businesses over a longer period to refine their brand continuously, adapt to market changes, and ensure consistent positioning, messaging, and overall brand growth. Monthly retainers are a popular income model where consultants provide continuous support in areas like messaging, customer perception, or marketing alignment. Additionally, some consultants monetize their expertise by creating courses, writing books, or hosting workshops for businesses. The beauty of brand consulting is that it's scalable. You can work solo, build a team, or even establish an agency as your client base grows. Understanding brand strategy is at the heart of what consultants do. A strong brand strategy serves as a guiding light, influencing everything from marketing campaigns to product development. Positioning for competitive advantage is a critical component of brand strategy. Positioning is about carving out a distinct space in the market and ensuring a brand stands out from competitors. Consultants analyze the market landscape, identify gaps, and craft messaging that highlights a brand's strengths. Consultants also help businesses adapt their positioning over time as markets evolve, ensuring they stay relevant and competitive. Conducting brand audits is one of the first steps in any consulting engagement. Consultants start by gathering data, analyzing logos, websites, social media, and marketing materials, and then assess how well these elements align with the brand's goals. A brand strategy is the blueprint that defines how a company presents itself to the world, communicates its values, and connects with its audience. It's more than just a logo or tagline. It's about creating a cohesive identity that resonates with customers and drives loyalty. The brand story becomes the backbone of marketing campaigns, social media content, and customer interactions. A compelling brand story builds trust, fosters loyalty, and turns customers into advocates. Consultants often refine this story to ensure it remains authentic and relevant as the brand evolves. Presenting brand strategy to clients is an essential skill for consultants, as it goes beyond simply delivering a plan and requires clear communication, structured storytelling, and the ability to connect insights with business outcomes. It is about building trust, inspiring confidence, and helping clients clearly see the value of the strategy so they feel aligned, convinced, and ready to implement it effectively. Consultants create detailed presentations that clearly outline their findings, recommendations, and actionable next steps, making complex ideas easy to understand and follow. They use visuals, case studies, and relevant data to support their thinking, helping clients see not only what needs to be done, but also why it matters and how the proposed strategy will deliver measurable results over time. The ability to communicate clearly and persuasively is crucial for building trust and securing client buy-in, as it helps translate complex ideas into simple, convincing messages that clients can easily understand and act on. Strong communication ensures alignment, reduces resistance, and increases the likelihood that clients will confidently support and implement the recommended strategy. Pricing brand consulting services can be challenging, as it depends on the scope of work, industry, and client size. Many consultants charge hourly rates for short-term projects or flat fees for specific deliverables, such as brand audits or strategy development. For ongoing advisory roles, monthly retainers are common, providing clients with consistent support while ensuring steady income for the consultant. Pricing also varies based on experience, reputation, and the complexity of the work. Consultants should focus on demonstrating the value of their services, as businesses are often willing to invest in branding that drives measurable results. Getting clients and building long-term brand advisory roles requires a mix of networking, marketing, and delivering exceptional results. Many consultants start by offering free resources, such as webinars or ebooks, to showcase their expertise and attract leads. Referrals and word of mouth are powerful tools, as satisfied clients often recommend consultants to others. Building strong relationships and consistently delivering value can lead to long-term advisory roles, where consultants help businesses refine their brand strategy over months or even years. As they grow their client base, consultants can scale their services, hire team members, or expand into new markets. Thanks for watching. I hope this gave you a clear picture of what it takes to become a brand consultant and how you can build a thriving career in this field. If you have questions or want to share your thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Let's keep building impactful brands together.